Hi. Hey guys, so today I am unboxing the Deluxe Mini and Supreme mystery boxes from summer 2021 from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I did also buy the 3 summer mirrors. However, Jeffree sent me those, so I have extras. So I have ones to rhinestone now, so that's very exciting. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the mini here. I have seen a couple spoilers, so excuse my knowledge. Oh bitch, they really got this sealed. Okay, so we have Suck and Wealthy in individual shadows. We have Let Me Be Perfectly Clear, the gloss, which is awesome because everyone always needs more clear gloss. We have the Automatic Eyeliner in Money Counter, which I do already own. So this will be going in my doubles drawer. And the main event of the mini, we have the liquid lipstick, which is the Star Yak Ranch. Ooh, okay. So this is my new favorite nude. I love colors that look like my lips but better. Oh my god. I don't usually fall in love with colors so fast, but I absolutely love this. Really obsessed with that. Might need to buy a backup. Now we're gonna do the Deluxe. Okay, so we have a, how do they call it? Z palette, where you could put all of your shadows in here, your single shadows. So that's awesome. I'm assuming this is the Star Ranch. Oh, it has like a texture to it. This is the Star Ranch mini palette. Oops. So really pretty colors. I love Star Creek, Grand Prismatic, Casper Mountain. They're all really gorgeous, and I will attempt a 10 looks 1 palette on this like I always do. So stay tuned for that. It also comes with a white marble makeup bag. I did see a couple variations of this where you would get the purple crossbody and the green crossbody, I think. I can't remember exactly, but this is what I received. And then we have Lord Star, the gloss. We have Pink Grapefruit Velour Lip Scrub. And if I'm not mistaken, this is an exclusive. I might even have this up in my collection and I just don't remember and think it's an exclusive. So we have Celebrity Skin Liquid Lipstick, which you can never have enough Celebrity Skin liquid lipstick. It's one of the best. I have 3 individual shadows, Lemon Drop, Flourishing, and Licorice. And then we have Bloodstain Lip Balm, which is just a nice hint of red. Awesome. It's an exclusive as well, if I'm not mistaken. And then finally, we're gonna do the Supreme. Oh fuck, I ripped it. She's gonna be ripped in the thumbnail, ladies, gents, and everything in between. Okay, so we have the exclusive mirror, which I was very excited about because I love the popsicle mirrors. It's probably my favorite design because I love popsicles. This is the Pinksicle, which is like a raspberry popsicle, I suppose. You can't beat the smell of a fresh mirror, which I know is weird, but if you've bought them before, you know what I mean. When you open the box, there's a beautiful smell. I don't know. So we have Lick My Glit Extreme Frost, which I'm happy about because this is the most wearable for me. So I'm very happy that I got this one. I have it already, of course, but can never have enough. Then we have 3 singles: Blue Monday, Donor, and Entitled. If I'd hazard a guess, this is the Blood Money palette. Yes, it is, which I, of course, already own. However, might be a good gift if I already own it, right? We have another Z palette. I would have liked to see a bigger size in the Supreme, but you know, not everyone's gonna buy both. We have an exclusive Beach Ball, which is like a pink and a hot pink. We have the Candy Necklace Velour Lip Scrub. We have a velour lip liner in Dominatrix, which is one of my favorites because I like to use it on the outside of my lips when doing nude lips. We have the Supreme Gloss in Blow My Candles, which is very beautiful, very wearable. Excuse my fan being on, by the way. It's very hot in my area right now. So we have Heaven's Gate, the gloss, which is one of the most wearable glosses from the cremated collection, so that's always exciting. I don't know how they get these motherfuckers in. I'll put it in that and then move it down. Oh my god. Yak Head liquid lipstick, which I'm truly not sure if this is the same color as the Star Yak Ranch. It is not. Okay. I'll show you the differences. So the top one is the Yak Head and the bottom one is the Star Yak Ranch logo. I will go ahead and take this color off to put on the Yak Head. This is very pretty as well. It's like a terracotta nude. And this is the Star Yak Head liquid lipstick. Next up, we have another Star Ranch palette. I personally do wish that there was something different in the Supreme. However, like I said, not everyone's gonna buy both of them. Exclusive top, which is like a really, really open-armed, like, I'm talking really open-armed tank top. Has the Jeffree Star logo up here. This will not fit me. I am a little big for it. But I do think it's cute. I don't know how many people would wear this style. Is this a popular style now? I didn't think really, but work. That is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Mini, Deluxe, and Supreme mystery boxes for summer 2021. I hope you guys enjoyed, and you know, not really much else to say. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.